Hi everyone, welcome back to English Talks Hub. I'm Lily and I'm so happy you're here with us today. This is English Talks Hub, where we learn simple, practical, everyday English. Not textbook English, not memorized rules, just real English you can actually use.
Hey everyone, I'm Arthur. Welcome back to all our lovely learners around the world. And if this is your first time here, welcome. Let's relax, take it easy, and learn English together happily, step by step.
So Arthur, quick check-in. How's your day going? Where are you right now?
Oh, today I'm at the office, working, recording, drinking coffee. Busy day, but a good one. How about you, Lily?
Same here. I'm in the studio today, in a quiet room, trying to stay focused. Laughter. And actually, what you just said is perfect for today's topic.
Yeah, because I said at the office and you said in the studio, and this is exactly what many of you ask us in the comments.
Yes. Thank you so much for your comments and suggestions. We see them. We read them. And this video is for you. Many of you asked, should I say I'm in the office or at the office? Or things like in the morning or at night, and then you stop. You think too much. You feel unsure.
And we want to say this very clearly first. Don't worry. This is not a lesson with many rules. We're not here to confuse you.
Exactly. Today is not about translating in your head. It's about feeling the situation. Same English, same place, same time, but a different feeling, so stay with us. This lesson will help your English feel more natural, more relaxed, and more confident.
All right, let's get into it. In versus at. Let's feel it, not translate it. Okay, Lily, can I ask you something? This is a real question we get all the time. Learners ask, wait, this sentence, can I use in or at? And then they pause. They freeze.
Yes, and inside their head it's like, oh no, which one is correct? And if no one explains it clearly, they think, maybe I learned it wrong. Or worse, they stop speaking.
That's the sad part. And listen, everyone, if you feel confused here, that does not mean your English is bad.
It just means you're starting to notice something real in English. Okay, let's make this very simple.
I say, I'm at the office. Sounds normal, right?
Yes, very normal.
Here at the office just means the location. Where are you? Boom. The office. A point on the map. Now listen carefully. I'm in the office.
Oh, feel the difference. Now you're inside the office, inside the space. Maybe sitting at your desk, typing, working, surrounded by walls.
Same office, same English, but a different feeling. Next one, at the hospital.
At the hospital usually just means the place. Maybe you're visiting someone. Maybe you work there.
But if I say, I'm in the hospital, that feeling changes fast. Now you're inside as a patient, staying there, being treated. Same building, very different situation.
Last one. Ready? At school. At school is about the routine. Kids are at school during the day. That's normal life.
But then you hear in school, now the focus changes again. In school means you're inside the system. You're studying, you're a student.
So let's pause here for 1 second. This is the key idea. English changes when your focus changes. Not because the rule changes. Not because English is trying to trick you.
But because you're looking at the same place in a different way. Same place, different feeling.
One gentle reminder before we continue. Please don't translate word by word. That's where the trouble starts. Instead of asking, why is it in? Or why is it at? Ask a softer question. How am I looking at this place right now?
Listen to this sentence. I'm at the cafe, but I'm in the corner in a quiet room. Same cafe, different focus, and that's English.
You don't learn English by rules, you learn it by using it.
When you use in, you're thinking about being inside something, inside a space, inside a period of time, something that surrounds you.
And when you use at, you're thinking about one point, a specific spot, a precise moment.
In feels like inside, within, surrounded. At feels like a point, focused and exact. And remember, English is not math. It's about how you see the situation.
Now it's your turn. Where are you right now? Are you at home, at work, or somewhere else?
Next one. Are you in your room or at work right now? Feel it before you answer.
Last one. Do you study English in the morning or at night? Feeling matters more than translation.
Let's wrap this up simply. In, think inside a space, inside a time period.
At think point. One place, one moment. Don't translate. See the place. Feel the time.
That's the English Talks Hub way. Simple, practical, real.
Keep practicing a little every day. English is a journey, not a race.
If you liked today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Practice with us. Learn with us. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.